The engine is shaking a little bit. There's a little bit of smoke coming out from over here, right over there. I don't know if the camera can catch it. And the power steering is making a loud noise. So you can see those are the few noises that it's making. Alright, thanks.